morning from Mumbai. Today is 1st of September. It is Rahul and mine first year anniversary, and today we are celebrating that. And both of us have, like, I think individual sets of surprises planned, because I know for a fact he has something up his sleeve. I might not know right now what it is, but I know there is something. There is definitely something. Petrol pump.
The table. The table. This is one of the top restaurants in India, not in Mumbai, in India. I excited. You book? Okay. A veg burger where I'm vegetarian. Last day of Ganpati. We've taken a parcel as well. I'll eat it tomorrow.
So much food.
Nice. Very nice. So good. Have a veg burger. Yeah. Chicken would have been good, but this one was. Sorbet is good. Very nice. So very nice. Good tiramisu. Very good tiramisu. You like it? Huh? You don't like it normally. Give me so good. Oh, is very nice. I like my creamy, just the right amount of sweet. I think the waffle is done. Look.
Ooh. Rahul, why are you cooking on the floor?
Because there are no plugs remaining in the kitchen. Sugar free, so I can put it as much as possible. 20 calories only.
She's ready.
Here you go. Morning anniversary waffle swing. So this is a high protein waffle. It has around, I think, 260 calories with 30 grams of protein, and the whole batter that I made has around 750 calories with 91 grams.
Thank you.
Is it crispy?
It's crispy. It's crunchy. Wow.
Is it any good?
More maple syrup.
Huh? Good no. Wait, I'll get.
I last night I had booked reservations to this place called The Table in Mumbai. It is one of the best restaurants in, I think, all of India. I am not sure, but Rahul has been wanting to go to that place for a very long time, so I booked that and he was very happy with it. And the food was impeccable and it was a lot of fun. And today we have, actually I have no idea what he's got planned, but I think we're gonna go and see what's gonna happen. I have no idea. So this anniversary is extremely special because honestly it's not like it is like we started dating or any of it, but it's more like last year this time we went to trek Hamta Pass. I went with my friend Tanvi. He had come with his friend. Neither of us knew each other, and honestly, if you had told me back then that I would meet my future husband on a trek in the Manali, I would have told you, shut up, that is impossible. All of these rom-com, romantic movie things belong in the movies, okay? Be realistic. And honestly, even when I went on the trek, I was very pessimistic. I had no plans of mingling with the people. All I wanted to do was, I had gotten my new DJ. I just wanted to play with it. I just wanted to see and capture a lot of like pretty views and essence of the journey and kind of like tell stories or create vlogs on Instagram for it. That was my entire plan, and just get a break from my work schedule. And then accidentally Rahul, his friend, me, Tanvi, and another person, we were in the same van, like the car going from the base camp to the starting point of the trek. And again, I didn't pay much attention. I was just on my DJI capturing all the beautiful landscapes of the pine trees, and it was very beautiful. So the road and everything. So I was just very focused on that. I had no intentions at all. But then over the span of like the next 4-5 days, I just got to see that, oh my god, he is such a little sweet little boy, and he was always there for me. He doesn't speak much when you first meet him. He's not like me. I will yap, but he just listened. He was there. He supported me all throughout the trek. I got a bit of AMS as well because the trek was at 16,000 feet and above, so I had not acclimatized, and I was struggling very hard because I had like 15 kg worth of backpack on me as well. But he supported me. He didn't say much, but he was just always there around, trying to like, yeah, let's go, we'll do it slowly, there's no rush, we'll keep going, this and that. It was very nice, and I didn't think much of it. But at the end of the trek, when the trek was done, literally done, by then I think I could just see how much of a green flag this boy was. Like, he would listen, and he was very generous, very attentive, very compassionate, and not just to me, but literally every single person he will meet. He's very, very nice. So I had a little bit of crush. And once the trek was done, there was a big dance. We did all the Pahadi dance and everything. It was very fun. And once I think everybody started getting tired, there were a bunch of Gujarati people who were not tired at all, and they were like, let's do Garba. I was like, that is my cue to leave, because I was dead by that time. We had just finished a long trek, and I don't know how they had so much energy, but I don't know, I didn't think much of it. I just told Rahul, like, let's go sit at the rock. There was this rock nearby where in the evening we had cut cakes to celebrate for ending of our trek, and we just went there, we sat there, and that was like, I think 9 in the night, and we sat there for like almost 12:30 in the night, and it was a very nice conversation. Like, we literally could talk about anything, and it was beautiful. It was very nice, and I think that was that. And ever since we even came back from the trek, we had been hanging out constantly. Like, literally the first week back, there was Ganpati last year, so we went to that. Then literally 2 to 3 times in a week, this boy would come pick me up. We would go out, we would hang out, we would have fun. And then we started traveling, and then things just went so fast. It was so easy hanging out with him. Such a gentleman. And it was beautiful. I had a lot of fun. We went on a lot of trips, and literally by January we were engaged. And next year we are getting married as well. But yeah, so that is how me and Rahul met. At least my version of it. For his version, if you want, you can comment and you can tell him to make his own video. But yeah, so today I do have certain things planned. So let's get on with it. I'm gonna show you exactly. I'm just gonna take you with whatever happens today. Very excited. It feels like it is my birthday again. It feels like it's a combined birthday. I think that is what anniversaries are. But okay, let's go. So for his gift, I have gotten him a little something, and I've made him a card with a beautiful little poem, which is an inside joke. So I'm gonna go give that to him right now. Rahul? Hi, good girl. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Coco, what are you doing? No reading out loud. It's just for you. Hide it from the camera. It's just for you.
It's so bad. You see. Phone in the watch. Oh, you got a watch, buddy. That's okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is so nice.
This is Coco's food. Gonna feed her before we leave. Yeah. So our first stop is Vanilla Mill in Bandra. We are gonna go pick up some coffee and maybe like a sandwich or something. And then Rahul has something planned after that. So we need to be in Lower Parel, some place, I don't know where, by 1 o'clock.
Before 1.
Yeah, before 1, yes. So, do you wanna explain where we are going by any chance?
No.
First stop has to be coffee, because I cannot live without coffee. New
Now what?
black truffle latte.
Truffle latte. How is it? Rated of 10.
This on 10.
This one 10. Yeah, okay.
In about 20 minutes, I'm gonna be the happiest person in this world. Once all the caffeine has reached my bloodstream
Okay.
and my head,
Okay.
I'm gonna be very, very happy.
Yes.
And there's Tutu. This is technically Rahul's, but technically nothing is Rahul's.
Which you like better?
Both are equally nice. This is a Vietnamese, almost Vietnamese coffee. And this is a spiced guava cold brew, which I find is very interesting. I love the spicy guava mocktails, which means that with coffee. That was not a. That was like. It was not just. That was not that.
Good.
Very nice. You're right. we are going? Where are we going?
You'll see. You'll see. You'll see.
Where are we going? Are you showing your watch again?
Escape. Can you escape?
You?
You want to escape?
We are going to escape room. I had an idea.
You had?
Yeah. Because I've mentioned it before that I wanted to try it. So yeah, I knew it.
So आप ओपन करके आए
I am not liking this.
So first Harish का वो kidnap करा so first kidnap करूँगा आज kidnap
Holy shit.
so मैं छोटे मेरा Harish का वो kidnap करा तो मैं आगे से उसको kidnap करा so वो वाला का डेटा Harish को Harish को स्केप करा और वरना वो आपको मार तो कुछ लोग से ऐसी एक्टिव फाइट नहीं है
I don't know. I am handcuffed. We are in the second room right now. No idea what to do.
Time is already up. Let's start with this because I see for you. चलिए start.
You are puzzled to start. I'm so excited.
Good at puzzles. Okay. We're out.
Okay, that was the coolest thing ever done. It was so fun. So stressful.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Timer going on the back and
Yeah. Also, we got like 10% off on laser tag. Right here. Right here. Should we go?
let's go.
3. Would I have a call?
चल.
What call? Can't go right now. We have to take a little break.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
What do we do about this?
What do we do about this?
There is something on bed.
Yeah, there is something, I know. I see it.
You see it?
Yeah. The
What is
white
that?
Chocolate.
What is that? Acha. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And what do we do about this?
What is it?
I don't know.
So you don't know?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet.
I do not know yet.
What do you have to say?
I thought the waffle iron and the escape room was the gift.
Okay.
But I'm very happy to open these.
Those are experiences.
Okay.
This first.
This first, okay. Alright, this first.
Grey first, then green. That is not for camera.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. This, okay.
Yeah, but thank you.
What do you think this is? What?
I don't know. I thought first I thought it was a book maybe. It looks like a book.
It is a book.
Book? No! No! Oh my god! Oh no! Kindle!
What is it?
Oh my god! Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm not gonna open this right now. I want to record like a nice.
And you also have to go for Goro.
Huh?
Movie.
We have to go, yes,
Yeah.
movie, yes. But I'm gonna make a nice, cute little video.
You make.
Unboxing.
You
with
make.
me.
You make.
I love this.
Coco is here.
I love this. Thank you.
And this? Why are you neglecting that?
Huh? Chocolate is fine, but
But pistachio.
pistachio, yes, but
You like pistachio?
I love pistachio, but it's just
Side gift.
side gift. Ah, yes, I have trained you well. Side gift, you know what a side gift is? A main gift, a secondary gift, and a side gift.
And an experience gift.
And experience gift, yes. All of it. Next, Rahul will make a video explaining how a girl should be gifted and everything. You know how the gifting whole thing works. I have taught him well. Now he can share his knowledge with all the men in the world.
You like it, I like it.
I have wanted this since I was 15 and had no money to afford this. Now I can afford this. But they somehow discontinued from Amazon or whatever. I couldn't find the right one. I don't know how you got it. Amazon. If copyright wasn't an issue, I would play the music. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. By Taylor Swift. Okay, let's go movie time. So we are on our way to go watch the movie Weapons. It's another horror movie, and the last movie I think we saw was Sinners, and I pledged that I will never watch another horror movie, but here we are going again.
Yes, it's a nice movie.
It is interesting.
Sinners was also very nice.
Sinners was also very nice. Would recommend it. I did not watch the trailer for that movie, and we just decided, oh, let's go. Without watching a trailer, you have no idea what to expect. But I thought it was a musical. Boy, were they lying! It was so not about the music. I mean, sure, music is like a little bit of it, but anyway.
Okay, so we are on our way to Metro in Marine Lines, and we're going to watch this movie called Weapons. So it's been out for quite a while now, but we just got around to it. And so we got the tickets for 500 rupees for both of us, and it's in Insignia, which usually costs 1,000 rupees per person. So we got it mostly because Weapons is almost out of the theatre, and it's a Tuesday night, and we got a discount on one of our credit cards. So
Which one?
the Adani, ICICI Adani card.
More such money saving hacks. You should subscribe to Rahul's channel. Save money or grow money or whatever the
Save money, or whatever you save, you invest eventually.
Yes, invest money. That is very important. You should keep investing money.
You don't save money here.
Also, look, this is a sign that you should invest money if you believe in God. God right in front of us. Very good job. Where are we going?
The signal.
No, what is this? Where are we going?
We're going home.
Yeah, you said that, but I don't believe you.
We're going home.
Where are we going?
Home.
Where are we going?
Eastern Freeway.
Where are we going?
Home. Home. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. Home. Why don't they write that?
This is the place. It looks nice, pretty. We get drinks.
This is nice. No, you get a drink.
Yeah. Oh, this is What is this?
Brie and cranberry filo cups. These pastry cups filled with brie cheese and I think cranberry sauce. I see Smiling is back. Price as usual. Cream chicken. Very good. Very good.
Very nice, very soft and juicy and very cheesy.
This is better.
Thank you. This was fun, Rahul. Thank you for planning such elaborate, fun day. I'm so excited for the Kindle. Oh my
Do
god.
unboxing video.
Yes, I'm gonna do all of a nice unboxing video. And then I'm gonna extensively read.
Like reading as you enjoy. Read